In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your quality score in Google Ads. For many businesses aiming to boost their online visibility, optimizing this score is crucial. It influences your ad positioning and the cost per click, effectively determining how successful your Google Ads campaigns can be. Let's take a step-by-step approach to enhance your quality score, ensuring your ads reach more potential customers and are cost-effective. To start, head over to Google Ads, type in Google Ads into your search bar, and you should see the main page that helps you get customers and sell more with online advertising. This is your entry point to all things Google Ads. Click on the sign in button to access your account. Use your credentials to log in, and you'll be taken straight to your Google Ads home. Once you're on the Google Ads home, you'll want to navigate to the next crucial part of this journey, your campaign settings. Here, your task is to click on Campaigns in the menu. This section will provide you with an overview of your current campaigns and their performance. Next, after accessing your campaigns, look for the Assets tab. Click on it to open up a dashboard that lists all the digital assets associated with your campaigns. The Assets section is very important because it includes components that could influence your ad's effectiveness. Managing and optimizing assets is foundational to improving quality scores, as these elements dictate how your ad is presented to the audience. One essential way to enhance your quality score is by utilizing all available ad extensions. Ad extensions are additional pieces of information you can add to your ads. They provide users with more context or features like links, location, or even a call button. Adding these can significantly improve your ad's visibility and performance. They can increase your click-through rate, one of the metrics used by Google to gauge the relevance and quality of your ads. By following these steps and focusing on each element, from signing in to making full use of ad extensions, you are setting a solid foundation to improve your quality score. Remember, boosting this score isn't a one-time task. It requires continuous monitoring and tweaking. Regularly check your campaign performance, update your keywords and assets, and utilize ad extensions to their fullest potential. Adopting these practices not only enhances your quality score, but also maximizes the return on your advertising investments. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial has helped demystify the process of improving your Google Ads quality score. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your digital marketing strategies.